Morning. So today I'm going to be tying the Biscuit Booby. This is for stocky bashers. It's a great fly for the washing line. It's a great fly reservoir fishing. It's a really good fly. It was devised in the Lake of Menteith, I believe. So in the vise I've got the Fario wet fly hook, size 10. This is a barbless bronze one. And the thread I'll be using is UTC and Flo Fire Orange. And it's a number 70. So we'll take the thread down the hook. Like I say, there's not a lot of fly tying in these, but for any competition angler or fishing reservoirs, this is one you need for your box, definitely. So just take that where the barb would be, just before the bend, and cut off the waist. And at the butt end, it's a two-tone blob basically. To tie in some Sunburst Fritz. So just pull some fibres away, just to expose the core. Get a wee wet with your fingers and pinch and loop. Just tie this in. And so this is Sunburst Fritz. This is stuff I actually dye myself. It's 10mm stuff, I think it is. Just a couple of tons of this at the back end. Just brushing it back. And tie that off. Just pull it in between the fibres. And trim off the waist. I use old scissors for this stuff. And just tidy up. And the top half of the body, or 2/3 I should say, is Biscuit Fritz. This is the gel core Fritz from Flybox. I don't know if you still get it though, but I'd imagine you would. It's been on the go a while, this fly now. So just again expose the core and pinch and loop. And just tie everything down, then come back, leaving enough room for the booby eyes. So again, just give this a wee wet. Just holding everything back, just like a hackle, just get as many turns on it as you can. Go for that there. So that was about 3 or 4 turns. Tie it off. And trim off the waist. Just tidy up. And for the eyes, I've already trimmed these. This is a 5mm booby cord. So just tie it onto the thread in the middle. And just wind it on. There we go. Oops. Couple of turns at the front. Just figure eight it, just a couple of times, don't need too much. And just pull everything back. And whip finish. A couple of these fibres there. In fact, I've got the good scissors to get them. There you go. So turn the fly upside down, and what I do is just dab in hard as nails. So just get all the excess off the brush, don't want to flood it. And just, oh, it's going to be a big blob there. Just dab in at the eye, just dab in here. That should do it, and pull that back. And clean the eye. So that's it guys, that's the Biscuit Booby. That's a must for all you stocky bashers out there. Good in the washing line, good fished as a booby, deep down, high up, floater, die 7, whatever you want. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.